Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Did a little bit in the garden yesterday and my knees were really bad last night, so I've decided today I'm going to go through and make some summer clothes for me. So I've got different material, fabric out and different patterns. I finished, as you saw, me Bargello quilt, so I'm all quilted out at the moment. I've made 4 outfits so far. One outfit I'm wearing now, pair of ski pants and just a simple top. I've got photographs of the other things I've made, but this I tried gathering it and doing a fancy stitch around the neck, and it hasn't worked out too well, but it fits, and I don't think the chickens will moan if I'm wearing this when I clean them out. And seeing as it was one of those pieces in the assorted bag, which 75p, yeah, it'll last a while and then it becomes a duster. I made a pair of leggings out of stretch material, and what was left of it, I made a pair of shorts for knocking around the garden. There was some of that material that I showed you, 75p. I've made a pair of trousers. Now they've got safety pins in because the pattern that I used for this was not my size. Long time ago it would have been, but not now. So I added on to get them to fit me, and they have done, and they do fit, but they're a bit heavy at the front. So I may not take these up, but I put pins in where I would need to alter them when I'm cutting out my next pair. But for 75p, yeah, it's well worth it just to get used to doing that. Now, the leggings weren't 75p, they were, I think they're about, more or less, about £5–6 for the pair. The material for this was about £4 or £5, but I wanted to try this pattern out because I hadn't done it before, and it's in t-shirt material, and so I did. It's New Look 6323 Easy Knits, and it's actually a very nice pattern. I did it twice. This was my first go, and as you can see, the back is gathered, and I liked it, but it wasn't enough gathered for me, and it's a bit on the loose, very loose side, which I do particularly like. So I've got these oddment bits, so I put 2 of them together. Still cut it out the same size, but it doesn't seem to hang as much because obviously this lacy bit isn't as heavy as the fabric here, and I put the lacy bit at the back, and I quite like this now, I really do. So that's what I've been doing this week. I'm going to be doing more over the next few days because the place that I normally get my fabric from was having a sale. Well, still ongoing. Well, it was Wednesday and Thursday the sale is, and it's online as well as in store. So I ordered some things and they come today. So I'll show you them now. Just 2 bags. I'll lay it all out and then go through it with you. Right, here goes. I wanted some black Ponte Roma, and so they got it on sale, so I had 3 meters of it, and that's worked out at £12. So I can quite easily get a couple of pairs of ski pants, a cardigan, or whatever out of that. There was this stretch cotton with lycra in it, spandex, whatever, and it's got some stretch to it. And this, they were selling it very cheap, and I thought it'll make a great dress for me. 3 meters. And it works out at about £6.50, £7, so I can get a maxi dress or a dress and a top, whatever, out of that one. I got 3 meters of this one, and I do like this, and this was going for the same price. This is also like £6 for 3 meters. It's more or less £2 a metre, and it's stretch again, so that'll be a maxi dress. I couldn't resist, because you've got to keep your order higher than £35 or they charge you shipping. So I ordered a couple of other things. These bags that I normally get, which you saw last week, I've got 5 of them. I've just bought 1 this time. There's a lot of curtain material in that, and curtain weight material that, yeah, I'll find something to do with them. In fact, I've just thought of something. Next year I need some new potato sacks. I can just make them out of that. Potato sacks for growing in. There's some lighter weight that I can use for backings for wall hangings. There's this lemony cotton. Obviously more nets, but I'm using them up. And they've sent me 2 lots of the black fake leather vinyl type thing. But I did notice, you'll see on this one, the whole pack was less than £7. It's normally £7.50, but because of the discount, it was just over £6 for these few that I've just shown you. But this shows you here, I don't know if the camera will focus on it, it says fire resistant vinyl, and it's £10.50 normally a metre. I got 3/4 of a metre in this bag, so that by itself is worth the cost of this bag. And I've got another black one there, so I've got black now. I also ordered a dressmaking pack off them, which I haven't had before, to see what it's like. It's about £12 while it's this sale going on, and there's apparently supposed to be 20 metres in it altogether. Now, some of the things they have sent me a whole load of interfacing, lightweight interfacing. That'll keep me going for years. This out of here, there's some cottons. I haven't seen exactly how much is on each of them, but possibly a dress or a top. Another cotton. Yeah, there's no stretch shoes. This is a stretch material, so leggings, dress, I don't know how much is there. I quite liked this, but there isn't that much of it. There's only about half a metre. But I'll get something out of it because it is very nice. It's very soft, silky type material. They've sent me some of this. I've got some in black that I made into a top, and now I'll grow it in white. I'll probably do another top at stretch as well. I quite like this one. It's not stretch or anything, it's sort of metallic, shiny. How on earth my sewing machine's going to take it, I don't know. But we'll have to find out and see. Some plain black polyester. This will go brilliant with some other bits I've got. It's a lovely dressmaking weight velvet in purple, and it will go brilliant with some other purple velvets I've got. So I'm really chuffed about that. I like this pattern, but there isn't much of it. And that. They're more like for winter woolly jumpers. This, I'm not sure about. But I'll do something with it. This could go towards another coat. It's very heavy. And, well, last but not least, they've sent me, let me move these. They've sent me a load of lace material, and this I'm not too sure about. But I'll see. It'll come in useful for something, but I've certainly got enough now to get on with again. So I'll see you again.